Hi travelers, I'm Donnie, and packing for 2 weeks in Italy during the summer requires a delicate balance. We want to maximize space for resort wear while trying to avoid the chore of ironing when we arrive. Today we're testing the lie flat method against the rolling technique to see which reigns supreme for an extended European vacation. Today I'm using a full-size suitcase. I just think it's more realistic for the amount of time we're going. I'm beginning with the lie flat method. This traditional approach is excellent for tailored linen pants, silk dresses, and structured pieces. Once I lay them flat, I press them down and make sure I fill those corners. For the purpose of this video, I didn't do it, but make sure you take advantage of the slotted compartments between the handle tracks at the bottom. You can easily get your smaller items such as undergarments or flat shoes in those crevices. Also, be strategic with what you wear to the airport. With the right outfit, you'll be able to wear your pieces again, and make sure you wear your bulkiest items such as sneakers and cardigans. For reference in this video, I'm packing 3 bathing suits, 2 sarongs, pajamas, 6 dresses, 5 bottoms, 10 tops, 2 belts, and a silk scarf. For reference, we're going for 15 days, not including the travel days, and we're also attending a wedding. I'll be packing my wedding attire in a separate carry-on. Something I also like to do is take a change of clothes in my personal item so I can change once I get there without pawing through my luggage. In our case, we have about a 3-hour car ride once we land, and it's going to be hot. Which reminds me, please check the weather before any trip. It'll save you a lot of stress. Next is the rolling technique. I'm using the same pieces of clothing. It compresses the fabric efficiently, leaving room for shoes, accessories, or treasures found along the way. This is also where your Tetris skills will come in handy. If you're curious about where in Italy I'm going, or you're finding this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you hit the thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be documenting my journey as well as more helpful travel videos like this one. The verdict for this Italian holiday, a hybrid approach is the winner. Roll your knits, but lay your delicates flat across to keep them pristine. Thank you for watching, and buon viaggio.